Hello guys, my name is Volzhou. I'm from Shenzhen Huidu Technology, and we are the manufacturer of LED display control system. This is our series of our products, like receiving card, asynchronous control card, and media player. The, they are with different model with different loading capacity. And all of our asynchronous controllers support the cloud system. You can use the cloud system to manage all your screen and or digital signage. And our cloud system is free to use. You just create your account and log in and manage your device. Thank you. And our website is www.hdwell.com.